After I ran it, this is what my microcontroller is looking like. LED is not blinking. Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about the STM32. So I'm going to be showing you how to program this microcontroller to blink a LED. So we are going to go to STM32CubeIDE, also type STM32CubeMX, also type STM32 programmer, then the STM32Cube driver and the ST-LINK driver. Once you go to the platform, you'll see this Get Software tab. Click the Get Software tab, you can see Get Latest. Once you agree, you accept, create an account or download as a guest. I downloaded as a guest. They'll ask you for your email. And once you put your email, every time you try and download, this is what pops up. And then the STM Cube programmer, you do the same thing, and you do that for all the other software. You open the ID and the CubeMX. First thing you should open would be the CubeMX. After you've installed it, you just press accept, and then finish. Don't change any of the default settings. Just go to CubeMX. On the box, something called CPN. That is the name of your microcontroller. Look at you. Once you get any code from the box, just go here and click Access to Board Selector. Copy that CPN code, type it into the search bar. You just click on it, start project. I'll give you the unique price. I don't remember mine being that expensive. Oh well. When you start project, it kicks you to something like this. Today we are trying to make this board blink. So we have to look for a LED we can turn on, and the pin the LED is connected to. The hardware block diagram of the microcontroller. This is the LEDs that we are trying to turn on. The LED that we're going to turn on is PB14. We have to look for PB14. And since we are turning on the LED, we have to set it to be a GPIO output pin. All this CubeMX is going to do for you is give you a base template for your code. Make sure you go to the SYS peripheral and that serial wire is selected as debug interface, and then you generate code. You should have downloaded your IDE. So to your STM32 IDE. When I was initially starting, it showed me like an option to select and to set up, which is here. You just leave it as it is, you then generate the code. You can either import it into the IDE or just open the IDE and you just say yes. So when you open the IDE, you basically have all of this, but do not fear, mama is here. You go to your Hello Blink board, you go to core, you go to SRC, you see main.c, open the main.c. On the left side there's an outline. Just look for main void int, click on it, look for the while loop. So what we do is how_GPIO_toggle pin GPIO. Remember our pin was 14B, so GPIOB, comma, pin is supposed to be in lower letters. GPIO underscore pin, ours was 14, so underscore 14 lower letters. I'll delete 500. This is the microcontroller, and this is the OTG, and this is the ST-LINK. So we connect to the ST-LINK, connecting my cable. It's on. It should show a green light when you've plugged it in. So this is the programmer. You just come here, make sure it says ST-LINK. We connected it to the ST-LINK cable. Click on connect, and it's basically going to check your microcontroller. So you just have to close this because only one device can use the programmer at a time. And now we have this, so we build it to make sure that our code is correct. But we have a shit ton of errors. How GPIO part is in all caps, HAL is in all caps, but then this part is in sentence case. That's okay. Finished running, so our code is correct, and if you click debug, it should pop this debug configuration up. So make sure that this says hello or your debugger. Make sure it says ST-LINK SWD, and that's all you need to do. After I ran it, this is what my microcontroller is looking like. LED is not blinking. So if you go here, you can see the suspended is grayed out and the resume is not grayed out. Suspended is grayed out because the process stopped. You have to press resume or F8. It's supposed to be blinking. The error we're having is because we did not set the PB4 to output. I generated a new code with the CubeMX code that wasn't set to output. So we're going to redo it again. Basically the same thing, just now we've set PB14 to output. If you mean void, it should be empty. We're going to do how_GPIO, and we're going to build that. I'm just going to put this here, and it's running. I'm going to pause it and run it from scratch while showing you the microcontroller. Build your code, press your debug. Now I press F8. I'll just go here and press resume, and that is how you blink LED.